Hello! In this video we are going to be talking about how to remove your Hoppe 90-degree cylinder from your door. We are first going to show you what it looks like outside of the door. The black cam turns with the thumb turn, and we need to line it up with the cylinder so we can remove it from the door. Take a ring wrench and insert it into the slot below the thumb turn. Pull down. The thumb turn should now turn past the 90-degree mark, allowing everything to line up correctly. When removing the cylinder from the door, first unscrew the set screw. Then take a ring wrench or any other kind of thin wire like this paperclip. Insert it into the slot and pull down. The black cam on the inside should be able to be turned past the 90-degree mark. Take out the key cylinder. You might have to slightly turn the thumb turn to get the black cam to line up correctly. Reinstallation is the same process in reverse. Make sure the black cam is lined up with the cylinder and slide it into the door. Turn the thumb turn to find where it engages the lock. This means it is in the correct position. Reinstall the set screw. If you have any questions or requests for content, contact us at allaboutdoors.com.